Yeah, friend, or how near money a judiciary and every ho. Mammy, anything come on and Bramon chain. Rashid Tanko, Rashid Computer, good morning. Hello, Rashid. I'm checking my machine. Asante, yeah, I'll call by you. Asante, mammy, too.
On my Chief Justice, dear, no. Say, the processes have begun, and as it stands now, me who baby on pay my hammer wafum. Say, when your petition, a bedroom in China, or former Council of State and establish prima facie against here. Now, on what committee, then suspension, it all goes down. Say, once a friend said, obey interfere with the investigation, whatever. So it goes down. Say, the need to suspend her goes on. But in all this, on my, and no interest say, my man said, would default, and I would dip him. By the end of the whole committee's report, you know, and I bet you, dear, about what we see. No, can I watch him say, on my ebisi, your memuda. And no nama idea among for be raised that consensus no and so legitimate. Now so man say bibin si da and also interest say ain't si da.
As I so body your mommy. Rashid Computer, good morning.
Good morning again.
Bro, na nyama ko say.
Bibi aboko.
Na uko wa say e ho boko de gifex e ho kama.
Okay.
Me say baby a wo bodwuma acting CEO e ho boko de.
Boko bibi akoyi.
Yeah, no bad yes. Mami ya suspending we any investigation on my chassis. We say the asumdue ni pepe ye be ba judiciary. The thing na okasa.
Exact. Now what would you say? I didn't do mama no koye no. Opere on fast you dey ba judiciary so hono. The mama wants to bring peace and proper independence to the judiciary. I know they know.
In what way now, Okasa? Are they there na what judiciary officer? Any asumdue ni ho. There thing now say asumdue ni judiciary na your mama na mo trade.
Judiciary. Why would you say asumdue? And there's no peace over there. Look at what they were doing. Well, okay, I didn't know for years. Even their own MPP can't know no Chief Justice. Their own National Security Minister. Okay, I say I didn't know for years. Almost the same. Okay.
Yeah, Kandapa.
Why was Kandapa telling them that they should change their way of handling at the Supreme Court? Because that thing they were doing, they bastardized the judiciary with that kind of attitude. I'm surprised the petitioners wrote copiously against them. When they are crying, one petition, they no more control. This is the first time even somebody has written petition at the same lady. And then last year, no problem for this job. Yes, sir. Last year, this is somebody also right against it.
Ebi musro say by this president say mu wie na say entansabo ma me ne yi ni free ho a e ba be twasa bi ama subsequent government no so aba as obi a de ono no chief justice na eba eno no be kan say
me two points me tia de na o kan o say
me say there are school of thought that says that it is a bad precedent the president is setting because I'm sure you are not a routine say every government will come and bring his or her own chief justice.
Which school of thought is that?
It is something a lot of people are expounding. And for lawyers, nobody didn't come up.
Where are they coming from? Are they coming from Jupiter or Mercury?
It's Anglophone who is also moving another planet.
I'm moving Mercury, I'm moving Jupiter.
Rashid Medasi. All right. Asante Mamintio.
Oh my, me just say issues and concerns of Rashid reason. Yen can him be wo petitions nim say no nti na bia empanifo fa so se bia mama na dey initiate that process no. But the abba ketua bia abba the alleged ne travels e buy. Oh my, wo hwe sika involved na. Sebe enye sika ketua. Dallas fa ha and akofa we nyina aba. Oh my, sa ade we ekoso no. Sa wo hwe obi di se ema be enan na nu bi o man mu a ho. This kind of removal ni nyina no afa wo mo me kan ba bisu so. One, Loretta. Shraj there no. Ono so rent sa o.
That's a Shraj no man penny your mama
na
you know.
Meba.
Ono de nya obi na
yi.
Mama before so na the petition ko you
omo
yi no.
Meba. I not on prayer and now David.
Every before the petition ko e Loretta Lamte.
Yes.
Shraj.
That it was legitimate because sika o ma $180,000. On hand down sensing be. I forgot the time Ghana was spending about $545 a day on her rent.
Okay.
As like an abuse of office.
That's right.
And they establish it here no. Mame
Shalom say.
On one in the deputies. Nana ya kuntokwa ho. Wasn't not legitimate.
Okay.
Me person o motimi ka say bia the process na ekoso no. There's an iota of anywhere in the constitution. Ebe me hu say mame to konu any kwan say initiate because
no but I don't think nobody has said say e kwan o mampani John Mama afa so ayem fom so
and na wonim
ojira Ghana mra article 146 and 10
o man na
and why adwuma because say obi ba bontin be ka say or the petition akoma o mampani John Mama no mampani John Mama bu na ni aguso onye ho adwuma en kan krofo wa be ka chen se wo bu Ghana de emraso
enti me ka be studio say ebi na exam investigation goes mama ya na no turn eventually unim say na na the time ebi koso onya petition ekosi say o ka say ametoja mama eyo tokonu the getting the latter part of administration ya omo de bi koi
no de ntia o man fi ni say
ebeto mo say ebeto
ja omo say on for petition corner on post you abontain.
Very good.
And it did not meet the criteria of article 146.
On technical grounds.
The person can say.
Me no ya dwen say
on kasena na do kase. Kasena do kase ya. And to say professor Asade no de koye no. Wan fi no.
Dabi. O fi no kada me can say on technical grounds say what the petition ko. Now this about to Jano. Esa na ya mamanfo hu ma me no kwa adu e dey bono. On that case no.
When meet article 146 now.
Fine, but me can say the tenet of the accusation or petition no there. Yankomu kra about on grounds of technicality no.
And grounds of technicality. Say can amra. Procedurally. Procedure is as good as law.
On my me no ya adwin. Say me bo say see me dem say ni fa bo so me ka say wo se me di mokum ne bo wa. On that grounds so ka say bonkum bo wonti no. Ye botugu but no just say me boss man ya. That is my point. And the American person say Emma Bensia bi Mame Loretta Chief
Justice Wood.
Mebo o mama me
when they came no person NDC wanted
and where was there any petition against her?
There was no a petition.
Very good.
Maybe at that time they made a mistake.
Mame Nkrumah was a civic
NCC
and another uni free ho.
There be
when you know the same retire. Oh. So why is it that Sadia way Mame Charlotte say and as I name for no? On to my me can say as someone we shouldn't be so emotional. O mama ka say nyina say any mame nyina obia mame anywhere in the constitution say I say we dey mampanyi because lawyer ka say na metie pa o ka say articles 14610 is more of discretionary. Say o mampanyi ni pa
no I
ma opeso e opa ejamra on peso e ejamra o man we nyina ye constitution na aka say democracy na ye ka say ye de be adwuma ho metafia no because mampanyi ma class o mampanyi bi organ bia no the process of impeachment can be set against him.
Yeah.
So why not Chief Justice? Speaker, Krano, we can initiate process. We want to know the democracy na person ye spouse na feno. When you na your home and someone say, but we are praying say eventually. Bia, o ma hwemu nyam se da bi. Onye boni. Eba say na, eba mama no wan sign because as it stands
people are raising issue about Yaw dom level.
O ma me no ya adwene. Because at that crucial circumstances, I want to cry no. Your first man in through office no. He's a little embittered. Let's be fair. May apart from no any other committee members, me knew mupi. But Domlevo, we know his utterances. But for another point is Bia on grounds of say Bia accounts. But wasn't the only person qualified to be amongst?
That's $1 million.
What yes, it is a common penny, mama. Far or no, because of his background and for that matter, the earlier utterances Bia and Quebec. But as it stands, Nipa 5 no, almost a constitution is only Chief Justices
of the Supreme Court. No, Bakonya chairperson.
Jaconia Chairperson, nay, Nipa Miensa.
Miensa
no dear, Omunyam Ransem. Today is more like said that I say, can Japan demon fence in Bukra? Oh, Momo call a US court to ya, and you be never cosana.
No, jury.
And where a committee. Okay, at the end of the day, be motor swab by Yatum. So like what Yaboma have been saying, Nippons Yana may make us say, I want some about Georgina Wood, Loretta Lamte, and Chroma, NCC Mameno, Salato say, Georgina Manqua, and Tukuni. A man's young way in one of the key positions, but it's unfortunate say, almost so now. I say, Omunya problems with the
there are people who have also said, Mamino. Naturally and by the position or acquire no say what Titi Akrofo is about almost say in the human relations so you're questionable
human relations say any grounds of
the way and manner on say the ever my Yahweh yes say any asante yes say be misstated misbehavior, stated misbehavior.
Say I previous one
no stated misbehavior. Say bia what dan suban bia dia emfata. Judicial into suban crucial. Number 1. Article 146 no. Eka aniema be gina so me the first one is stated misbehavior.
But mama
ansana ebia certain act we say we incapacitated. Anase niema bi abon uncorrupt anase ade boni bi a obi akran pese ye beka ho asem.
But say mama munim nyema me na ka say law is law no.
Also odo de niema ni nyina a waye no. Obi me kan kire ne say ogina asem ba ko bi so a wan camera e na ama
o ma me fa na le mi wie ne kwan de sa ne travel expense na beto abonte no. Ne travel expense na beto abonte o man. Say no kwese na e say wodi insecurity na ekọ e na okofa ne ho ne ma na say na busua koye. If that's the case as care say even 50 cities cry
that's what about we check 9,600.
No, that's the difference between unknown and a banner the entem
on the say sika na was say ye the man do too quiet as bako abane say and the normal secretary chief justice who to be too quiet no ne Ghana chief justice na o security and count who fi say hono
it's virtually like an abuse of office
and amienu na also call two countries to say bia or call US in London eba I know I call for as I call US London Germany I say a globe trotting for call
on my own say when you around say yeah tie dey kenya sem bia o on say you funny say I say enya sika no but me say
Obeko toss ade for
almost say he who call for equity
must come with
that is the point aduma na wo ye no ye share no enye ye ne etie na se bi o ye nimra jo no nimra ne
de she will have a hearing
and em bomb pies eventually benya some of these things
she will have a hearing eno de ya ba ma de so akra no ya wa mi tie
agota mi de me makase mami oni nyame nko ni de ne makase mami
de wana ya ba makase mami
ade ne start ya
na se madam
mama get through tokunu
isaba eni nyame
nko ye ja kwan
we ka to twa
we resign
akenu anu
odi
na bi na Caprima Fasi Hawaii.
And say the gang of train never honor no Umponko Papa be Impone everything. Now electoral commission appear hinene my bakuno ka
boss tete bossman professor appear here na James by a petition ako ba one penny
say bakuno ban ba be ho adwuma chief justice na oba no oba be ho adwuma it's as simple as ABCD akoda onya nyam ne dia oba wo no
Gala Basa Uba but the do Baba in the limb I say we
Akwata we so hu am ye hu say baby a ye do na akwata afa na winner takes all no
ebe ye chuma pa
democracy no pa who the first ne de na say
as ye do do
because ye hu Georgina Wooda also in 4 presidents.
That's right.
Also in Atamels, also in First John, also in your friend say Nanado. Also in another and also 4 presidents.
Also Mahama 2 times.
Mahama twice.
Aye, no be
also Mahama
Ekufuado. Mahama and Mills.
And also Mahama Bio.
Mahama
also swear no pay 4 times.
It was also in the 4 times.
No crowd of an
no. I would say for 2 3 months say when your appointment ababia ba na when your appointment ya
no matter the position
whether public service yo whether
judiciary yo whether who you first o trim say aban necessary ya krache emeye me na constitution guarantee hwan massa wonya anyam ne de
oba ya say mami to ade ya na NCC mami oni ho
yes
me be so no what wo
can listen on ponko papa na
ono so wonye petition
petition NCC a bad political game na e Ghana
I don't because say ono so ne ho fo bia ho
akuta Joseph Vital kobusa no
Joseph Vital
8 years no betina ho no kobusa so o man diska man de adwuma
but jawe nya so mo man sko but so what ho we adwuma
ya wade bi wo ha
double vote wa ya ka say ni bra so wanyini
oman
waka so won ko nya na won ko fa krata
o sa ma no
dem set cross any ma me yemienu o papa o ma me ba ko papa bibiri o ka sa ge to a
tebe
o pa dia bo bia no pa bia
say o ya ho o wi ofo a
o wi ofo nsa
hwa de
akufo do starting
say o ye ne ma bi na ma for si jai na wo dia ho
na be si
sambre we no me ho and MPP for come anu tum
din dey dro dia
because eba be say ye wo position ti bibia ba ye meka bi dia na be ma o ma pani John Mama ala ma what we mukra already muslim ma me no nya fa here because nipa 11 na ono appointed wo mo plus 16 reps in NDC for 27 and 4 o mo ye constitutionally mandated no Chief Justice former Army General no ne ade no o mo nka ho eti 27+4 no o mo koye prima facie case 4 no betima ka chom say yembre
30 Council of State members 31 ne de akota ensi da says how dey we see for the kokoma wo mo
o meka say ma pani John Mama tugu
kasa aboso me nko market ya ma quantity mo love bruises me ade ade no
no assembly judge say let's accept it na na do wo no akota Council of State for na wo na and o mo se Charlotte say o mu tu ne fo e ma o de ensem tansa de come Chief Justice na ni eni ha and Chief Justice if Charlotte say ni George na mankwa ni Amadu Sule nyam fa ne case e betra ho and ye wo ma fi ho
appointed Jane Mensa no so kaya there were conditions be by say ye tracy a o mu tracy say Jane Mensa e relate Akufo-Addo wife kakra
true nya say bia o de o ya busia
sa de ne by e ma ekọ so hwan Council of State deliberations day no media no monitor about
late in the evening
na
and say on that grounds cry
ya be hini mo de ba say o ma clear no
anwumere na ba say
o ma clear no na enye sa link no ntimi stop no
hwan na oni link bia na hwan akota Council of State dey
Afarijan tena ho obi anyina mfiri ho Charlotte say George na mankwa ne Amadu Sule o musuban na de o oye tije mensa suban bi wo ho na omo hu a obekọ
akotame so omo
Ghana ye obi ade o
se ti ase se ye obi baban bi party bi na buy na onya position a se ne wo sere ye no
obi
sa party no so woni pa wo so so mo didi bi antikrate se sa ne ma na ko na ja constitution na bra sem no sa na be ye
okay mamene mayor ni nkomo kakra na
akota eneso na ni day no ma eneso pepepe o se wa wodi dwa wo pavement ni e
oh nyako de
mayor
na some nim se mayor bosi to sawo
enchene ni ba ibroni o
hey
ni ba enchene ada ni broni
Juba
yawo
uko tunu so afa William Hunter na
ye akwa peso ma minyase
eba cho Honorable Akwaba.
Yeah.
Now, to say, and officially, let me congratulate you.
Thank you.
Pacho Mike, no, I so green, mami.
I also agree.
Thank you very much. Officially, let me congratulate you.
Me that's it.
Yedi hunkomo, and me kai umranti bi besra me wo. Swami.
Yeah.
The tax force team are on the campaign, and they made it clear. Say, ekobapa say. And you might be a touch man. The besi, and Yamiado. And your man so swat to 20.
Yeah, that is what.
Now buy us so came me to say.
Yo, mincha, what you for? Now, Zana knows I buy your position. Me bahana bibi koswa. And I make a choice, and before no much lay you.
Maybe before the chemo,
Na yesha.
I okay. Katamu bambe and pepe.
And the you know which I know, a buy a baby. Maybe I didn't bear fast on the end. Come and walk around with you on the master. Or ye would do on the master general no say. Eh, Unsan would do me. As I can would do knife as any master.
Did you more more yam and I fed?
You didn't read the by a few.
Once
By. It is a way be as a family acquaintance. Ya. Near so family acquaintance, yet the way and Abia. And say, na said, na Libya Boga come in the yard, oh, Bob, wow. Because I had I
came me to say.
Yeah,
The baby is no crab, I could say, Kumasi. Send ye Kumasi, Ejina Brani Bribino, and Ne, and Tessa. And you have a Herculean task to do. And then we say, KMA, administrative wise, and then Juma Moye, waste name and name management, name Yamena, and say,
yo, yeah. Came me a boko, Kumasi na me who is a boko, sir, a Juma ho. I was a ye. Nti yakoto swemo. Se baako for intimate. Won kai ho. Na momwa. Na ni so ade hu na yede nam no. Yemfa anya adwuma. Na adwumadie no enso ye reni. Sa se adwumadie ya mampani di amame. Onipa ogina mu. Wo gidie. Wo memu. We me party chairman.
Yeah,
na kwesi a esi nche ya de osum ma adwuma de bedi minsa eyemira something
yeah,
na mo gidie se ira obibi a ohwehwe woni koyemu ena ohwe nipa du a na opese de dwuma die no ma wo no me so nani no nya didi se ne nana metimi aye ti de me so de se me pese me di dwuma na so me reni na se me di dwuma no na se so me reni dia na je me reni nana no ena dwuma die no aso omani
that's right.
Eti munyina momoabe na yensom sompa so the radio station no di neti na eba ne sa kumase ne asantemai ena yebenya ho so emfa so eti se de me hunu de kumase nya boko but nyaminti nyamiti se mbadi Na minti ne na no mada Roma. Kakra bia yebetima ya de ada na yekue no yebe.
Oba wa share one major issue that confronting Kumasi is waste
And congestion.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the two of them are associated.
Yeah.
It's the congestion that is creating overwhelming waste.
Very good. Because any part board prima and we muragu hocha hoko.
Yeah.
So by a series of meeting. What is the way forward?
The way forward is a robust approach to dealing with it. What I say. Kokoye business as usual there will have the same results.
Okay.
Because you say by law we in last 2 years not by law no last years not by law no I'm right here but a force I'm right to the beer yen hwe nipa no ohu ne su ene ne ban ne kasa awote yen fa ne kasa awote enforce by law.
Okay.
Se ko se by law na awo ho a by law no ni nan onante.
Okay.
Nipa ne ma by law no di mu.
Okay.
Ndi ekwan ye fa so de by law no ju ijuma mfie miensa mfie nan mfie mienu se results of de ma ye ne ye fia by law na ye fa nya ijuma be kwan ye fa so de ijuma no yen ensam kaka
ena ma o ka se bia fe na abeye he
no am ko oni akabelu ka studio na mu ade be ma tro wo no o se no kure nyina yeso be hu nye nyina na ye ka
o di atu
eti bi wa abida tuma so mpanya no kure bia enya no kure bia na ehu e be ka.
Okay. And then I done so 2 weeks now the mile.
Penfo ne me akasa se. Say me share say nantwie no nko by first May ne there. Mema ne nyina kosi first May.
Until my extending to first May.
And adwade form penifo no na pempen no mo so.
And no be
sure. Enemy edi nkita ho. Nko mo person nko mo edi anim. No mo yi omu nipa no fe. Ya ade amesiri enye de. Me who say nipa no be side e me ye no me di hwambo papa
me ba o esam no obu ho a ya tini ye nchiremu anhye da ba konsa ase media no or ye ni news a obetwa
the everyone attention
a minute or two be on to be attention or the access me you say utimu papa e wo sa de no ho ene say
ya me chimu papa ne say there's a lot of human rights abuse going on in the Central Business District.
Human rights abuse?
A lot. First one. Mia, edi juma na shemensa. Wodi fia be go a ye be di matem. O abuse me right.
Okay.
My right to social protection. We ye fin one wa abuse no. Because all am acquire my man for a bit matem, no more booming tia. It's a human right abuse number one on my person. The second human right abuse, only okuta sheng. No wakoto petrol. Nanko to 100 cities are also 60 kilometers. Now wababe drew a doom and a kejetia. No di 1 hour. Ansano with me fuel. Na fuela. Also, it was 60 kilometers no, was spending within 2 kilometers. And the right to financial freedom of that particular road user has also been abused. The third human right abuse, one year what did them? To Sabio predecessor, Manus Simnaso. Only one the fire area. And here on year, Oyabu for also Ominia free movement. Was a biaho. No man I quite near a pavement. Say oh no the wheelchair neighbor on fast
pavement.
Na the okuta white cane no so no. Onya kwan fa cane no enhwehwe kwan no onko. Na ya bunka ma fa so na saafo no. Omonso sa right na ede ma omo also omonso enjoy freedom of association. No muntimi me associate with the people in the Central Business District. Na say dwa na obedi a ono so ndi se oyegana ni. That's idea no better. That one has also been abused. It has been abused by who? People who have taken the law into their hands and are selling on the street and destroying public properties in the process. Obi de rem Adeakye rim so and they have see car kwem. So check the constant weight on the asphalt.
Rim na or this idea now or didn't near my sense.
Yeah.
A mood to pa. Almost had the cement boom, said the bear from afar.
Very good. In the so na sa kwa kuje na gina kwa no so. Eti a kwan fan because of rim no. That be se kwan. Nyi. Nti say o my japade. But nipa no oba no onim say ye nya ka kwan se ye de ton ade. But obaka kwan mu ekoton a e ba beton ade. The sad aspect of it is that ukoka zi ohono obi ayekunani obi to my NDC obi o apata was Central Market
omunyina so to my NDC
omunyina to my NDC mani nyina ayekunafo
obati nyina obi azo ekunani obi to my NDC obi was Central Market apata tikejetia phase 2 na ya Central Market apata se nipa ye ka no mu 8,000 na omo bro 20,000 30,000 then no mu nyina.
And the fact is that I have thrown this challenge obi am me say omo mu te kwan mu no the one crata the store apata number na was Central Market line kwa no was say into my line so on fa crata na me mo bisi
omra na pebe
me bisi han store man
obi am
because the fact is that omo mo kon ba kukure no apata was Central Market it's a lie. KMA yen share nti omo relocate one year no Central Market and sana ye kwa kubu nti omo han store the man womo say the ye kwa kubu see the first one and ye omo nso a omo de ko race course. As far as documents available indicate, everybody in the Central Market has a place. Phase 1.
That's right.
Everybody has been given an allocation. Say we was Central Market. And because demographic background on the people would realize that age brackets and the locations, most of them are not from Ashanti region. A lot of them. Migration. This is the second largest city in the country beyond Accra. The migration will be Adoma, Aprantier, Wesisu, Wenyas, Kabe, 5,000, 10,000 B. A Yanis the Tenadoma, I ran with this canoe. Timinko, Kokesi, Menko Miameni, Namenko Danisikan and Nikaka. Or Moba, Pampa, Sony, Sampa, and Potamono, a dry any Janabia or Ha, or Mother that do move to Rona, that do Mona, that for being soon chain or Ashtown or Hokoda. Into Australian pa no atiasim. Nti eya come as a migration. And I didn't pardon na idea pa. Nti a lot of the young men and women who are mama fond the baby enumerate about the young ones a woman baby free other places other than Kumasi and at the Aba. Now me jidi pa wo me mu say omo mpene sa. Ahoche ene ababa ede obi enu a ope.
That's right.
Me was jidi ne pa ena mpanyo for say baby aye ti bia ye mpeno so ye tana ne hia nti ohia ne ahokyere ne de omo aba ho sa but me I dey kona she mensa no me wo asodie say me bond pa no a what is an ho ban nti all the human right abuses are my defining actually or I cause or with all activity in the tonja what the car quite finfi say car brake failure ebe and have a responsibility to protect you. And the Abia would the officer will be akwa kodi. But me say the juma me say me mo by. And the kwan bia me fa so me bo by no say me fa so na bo by.
Okay.
Say the be ya unkotena ho. No ye ni bi nsi. Ne yakasa na ne kuru mu panyefo we. Ti ma company backgrounds no. Ana me ni mo hia. Me baby asi makwa ho chire mu da ba fire o me di den so kakra in the situation na nipa fam ni na me tibi ase
yes I will need tema
ntime what
minim
say me atontoma me ntoma de 12 fees da
that's right
atwa me school fees da ma me yi ntoma ya de kwa afete ebo a oto ne ntoma no be ko na ebo e de be ma no enya no na
so afete de enkope bo
inti minim sa situation no. It is a reason why kwa na meninje enoma na aya ne yakoje akosi keme no meninje ho kwa because
ya ji obi
no obeko no anhwe ase bi esije no obeko no unya ne sa na ma capital so ate
okay
na ebia wo sika be 2000 na wo di didwa no so no enkwara miensa na depend wo so canteen wo kroma de e4 kwa e 5 cities a day
canteen
nti so won kwara miensa na do mo ko school e 15 cities a day o mo ko ba o medidi
to ko single mother so kwa
na ko single mother na se de ekurafo e do so wo yi
single mother so
do so nti se me ko ju no ma na baba na asia na just enkwara na mu depend wo so no e na in a way ye ha wo mo
okay
nti na ka me de ma mesusu se nko meka se oh akoya adwen ye papa tike ye mo ano nti me de nka menya ka me nhia wo a me nse wa de nka asotwe bi wa nka me de ma wo a asotwe no e ba sa premiersa ba twa ho osika ye intact woni pedua ye intact ye nya kwa ye adwuma fi se ti bia e de baba bia obi hu beka
yeah change,
but
whatever it is, every change will bring
obi hu beka
an effect on
but
somebody.
e was any padodo no ho eto wo mo
no correct
se si a ukọ eduma oni a me chidi pass businessmen o magic shops wa ke me ni o mu ndi ne ye fi se afeso a yakọ the business operating permit dem for the store licenses
that's right
what ya na GI for so akoya assessment what central tax amano na ne shop a otimo o twa scan ama aban no enima ye prekesi eni pakura ehunu de oton eno kwa koto be meanwhile omo mu gina akwan mu ahodo no eno ma na wa stores no mu no eno ana omo ton wakwan mu so who goes there to buy enti enkofo a genuinely omo contributing to the growth of the economy in a properly structured manner.
they are being starved
And what will happen is that omuntimi retaining omo profit. Once they can't retain profit, they can't expand.
Okay.
Until they can't employ. The incredible schools every could have certificate, but opportunities for them to employ. Yet the subambone are hindered. So I have this strong belief that we have a responsibility to make sure that businesses flourish.
Oh, come on, say.
And this the tax in the moon. That's a kind of near increasing. Not the same people. Nah, let be an tax cost at the mawom. Why can't we put in place mechanisms like a business environment? Are you okay? So that the tax net can be widened. Government will have so much money, and then they will not be incrementing how much one unit or entity is supposed to pay.
Okay.
Oh, in the that's a good cumulative effect. Then you say be na hotel no na ho na ten na kwa akwaji post e no ba ya na girigiri. No. Ansa na me kwa akwaji dwumadi no. Na ma ahwehwe Hawaii krono yewom. Na ma dwene kwan ya me feel say me fa ye be ya e be ma krono aye. Nyama ho na teme. Ni yeyo. Ena mesre. Say ya otu kwa nkran. Me yonko bi amina Dr. Asad, a pharmacist for US na over campaign na jam. Onyankoi. Amina. Oya onne konka wase akumasi ya kachi. Me se men kanasa. Yen kachi yada.
No credit. Waka yada.
So okasi ya kachi, that is the new economy science. Look at the pace and rate at which Accra is developing. How can you say Yakechi? We have not started. Sad aspect. And one way no market zakase. I won't cry no. Almost ya. Betchy. Only boamai. Yakana power vasin. Ko no more young kai. Ko no market kesia or ye won't cry. O ka se wonya bia wonya wa ha. but ebia adwuma oye no ebia loan bi na odidi sa adwuma no nze loan odidi sa adwuma na odi sika bi odi be investment bi o se ne saka le sika no bank kotua number jo cover anywhere ne Veronic Heights
Veronic Heights
yeah ene ugwada kwe nipa to sane o kwe jimfo court nipa to sane o Pearl do sane o Boakye nipa to sane o
dan su fe
beautiful infrastructure.
Yes.
Now all these places are making almost funny pay juma. In this almost na say traffic embawa. What would mean is that enkwara kankan no moti omuso. No moti oso na akoka mienu. Na unemployment rate akoso. Ndi abai responsibility ni say onia owo sika omubi adwuma. Ama ban dibim ama nkra nya bia ye no o se ye nhise ya ebobo omu dwumadi ho ban. And the first thing is that the environment and atmosphere must be congenial for investment. And that is what I want to tackle.
Yes, a kromunyo
ne monte free movement so that obi ba most of the time is money. So the time factor of investment
is crucial.
It's crucial. In this Kumasi obi ba be investment no this no money Kumasi should be attractive,
especially the CBD. Because last 2 weeks na nyesa otia na meka 1 solid hour na minya baby parking 1 hour me twa me ho na me gina baby luckily just luckily enough and a Tony Sack Tony Sack or mommy baby gina
I want to shop and
or Jamie Kino Samenko. I was just me go pampas go me say 1 hour na me am 93 Tony Sack go pampas buy. I mean the human traffic crowd on the road udu me bia o se utina me nipa kwa na ye bobosu say. And the truck and the taxis are jammed all over Unicorn Household. Any Jekuma Brosign no just
and you know my worry over there.
Zuba.
Well, Unicorn House, we do bit me county police bear 20.
And police for jam. So how much?
Asia city guards. Yet
KM city guards.
Yes.
And so how you jammed.
So the question he asks, what are they doing there?
Okay. They no say also ye hu bibi ba. And no nko abetimi say on a free railways to Unicorn House.
Can take you more than 20 minutes and no do.
Mr. Mayor, say ultimate clear on ma a bit easy traffic do bebre.
Okay.
That place
and there's one annoying thing everyone near us. We do hello from anymore.
Yeah, hello.
In middle of the road, we be the job is here to somebody.
I and you probably around the account say 4. Omo to board
in the middle of the road.
Or to board there no be so to abro.
It is hanipa no. Ya office there no there no. Ya kwa na aboy nsem man.
Yi ni free omo no.
No me gaza mabo. Ni kwa me na me vazu ni.
No ba. Metam me anim ni. Kumasi fo nyina so ne e be ya adwene say. Baby I do no. We need a little radicality. Without which the situation we find ourselves
will be worse.
But I am not a subscriber of BT. But and the thing be here say somebody like you, which I know someone
it is me yes subscriber of BT. Who feels a crime in fear? Because we are not confana you may have to use some minimum force.
You need free on when I find a cocoa. Young mono quit.
Mentamno.
And Tamno. Would they accept police for betting national?
Nti ka say onko check me na say o ka so like any than the instance back obi the excavator here you may be or fire site or without authorization so went na police for some make no only police for negligence no when there
or no me gidi or no there so here they say police for no they will use minimum force
minimum force ya na make
they will minimum force they are not
because ya we the baby yeah let Kumasi be behind me. Trust me, Yaw. If Kumasi gets behind me, I'll do this work.
Kumasi Tower chair.
May
I'm a Kumasi ati.
I know what to do, but enya krokro there. I'll be blunt.
Enya krokro.
Debbie will feel. Enya krokro. Also heat kakabem.
Wasting us way.
Enya no any.
Across.
Because the reason why I want to get the people off the median of the road is that we do baby runabout where you are that you see or no. Feno or for runabout. Obedru or no. Yeah, the obe who rebel who. How can we be disrespectful?
Two folk. That ball are near there.
Say, you are Santa Henimua statues you are. Neka sacred area. Baby, I'll be home. Santa statue be ano. Enka, sebi you. Kawari ya bosom bia. Udru ha kenidia also the mano. Spiritually, it will uplift us. And baby, as a stairs and as you know, go and check. You want to have access to the debt and go and get it. Nipe changweja.
As a finita,
person who you Enti, Omafa,
air pilot.
Near pilot. Near Kuchana, if you will come, we didn't pay for them.
Now that I'm going to introduce you, now I think did the night cleaning. It was so effective.
Yeah. So it's something that I'm looking at. Maybe I came
I think if you have
came a phone at the you might phone 4 months. Yeah, and Sabri, I know that in my mind I told him that you're not being fair to them. Because we'll be a wood track and it's like you come out to nature by wickedness in the first place. No, Asama now compound to Bosomina.
To why is it so much?
My mom instructions somewhere no one to Moka because I want them back.
Because some bars are cleaning on a Junombe Jumapa. Now very effective. Now more car, you cry a pra and foot near there.
And what I want to do is that Mr. Oma more pavements, you know, they shouldn't be there. But for now, I can accommodate them. So be as an central market and near there. Central market near baby. 30 baby.
Okay. Young go blue light. And now you rabbi champon baho. Na ninkomodi or say osre.
I don't talk about people who disrespect.
Obeba Wonasi. No I call regional minister ho. No I call Santimen Raho. Now mama na kwine there.
You don't go to the site, donate 1,000 bags of cement to the victims, and then you come to me. Obey. Yeah, no, he has not come to me. I call you donation cement to the victims. Now, Obi fee, Obi behind Obi fee. Nefi initial, if you are high, you're the cement tenant.
Yeah, the cement my fear.
Ain't it what if cement I come tenant away? Not tenant did cement on the man, you do pay. Na fe so ko wura ofira o se o ma kwan koye dan ho adwuma adwuma no wa hyase e dey bi no man koye
tina officer kan the papa mu no also o mo ba o na ase
honorable Kennedy Japan baya
yeah
before he came no ni akasa o telephone so on 3 occasions.
Oh okay.
Inti time oba be drew ye no na regional minister I engaged to say or person or site on. Regional minister directed me
to go and meet
to accompany him and show him exactly the situation.
Okay.
You know, or your donation. On the discuss here. So he wants to hand it over to the MP for the area, who is also a member of the assembly.
Official member of the assembly, yeah.
So minimum the exact number of street lights are. Honorable Kennedy Japan, MP for Subin. So if I want to hold him accountable, I know what question to ask. Mad Moamake, Oba, Wako Janessa, I know that. They call Anajo and Alpa and assembly members in Yako. You know what I want to see? They have started digging drains, big drains.
Blue light.
Yeah, for Kamba call. Big drains. Who gave them the cement to do that? Meanwhile, I didn't see your communication in I say. You gonna talk no access to the far location.
Car bit me afa.
Ena ama yentimi anso ano a eje yensem. Ti we big dreams here we are. Na say BBC a fire tender no better crossing. Uza we are. Fire tender no better crossing. Meanwhile, Adeakye me, you were a plan. Na ye pese yen lane by lane. Now you just access so that in case of any emergency services, you have let them to misconduct themselves over there. So you're coming to see me for what? Nana B, national executives of the MPP, they have done same. The 2024 flag bearer of the MPP, they have done same. Honorable Dr. Alhaji, Excellency Dr. Alhaji Boakye, they have done same. The only person within the MPP who, for me, has done the right thing and has given respect to authority. Not a single one has paid.
Regional caucus, individual.
Not a single. I'm the upper regional minister. One year didn't get one. Me are aware of.
Oh.
And I make a jury. They go there, make all manner of pronouncements to compound the situation. And the question I ask myself, hey, do you say yeah? And the central market and she and one fast speed and over 2-3 years, the place is still redundant. Could you have done this during your term? And a man, and so you see, about 4 days ago, there was a fire outbreak in that same area.
It just out.
Yeah. And this time around, maybe I didn't see you. Now I walk out one. So we had access into even the shop now. I didn't see him. And GSM. Said GSM and this one would have been worse than what is at blue light.
And so now because of the choir or fire for
we went direct to the place.
To save or no.
Shop no kwa save before we had access to the owner no buy and no man be hard you na e free.
Okay, so it goes to show say
if we have access we'll be able to deal with the problem head on.
So now what is the decision from KM? Because
the decision
came won't say Kroradia but KM Shasu. So what's the decision?
Assassin kwa anye KM per se. Ghana Railway Development Authority.
Okay.
Assassin.
Okay.
They are also misbehaving.
Railway for them.
Yeah.
Also misbehaving.
Yeah, they are also misbehaving.
Are they?
I'll go pay their chief executive in Accra and I'll tell him straight in his face that he can't do that. See, those of us who have been appointed by the president, we must emulate the president in making sure that we give respect to institutions and authority. Can't be a mature money, where's be a mature, and there's some discretion if you're I'm not happy about that. Me as Anthony first and foremost. I'm not happy about it. They copied me, I felt that's huge respect to our chiefs.
Hey.
And
are they
at least consult me. What else?
The whole Asante Mantem
no, the main man in Accra.
The main man. And I want to be a
lot of untruths. And I'll let me leave it here. I'll go and deal with him on that subject and then see how best he can reverse whatever harm those communication may have caused.
Okay.
Now, Ghana Railway Development Authority, any to me, the planning Krobia. And they can't determine where market goes.
Okay.
DS is to run railway. It's almost to me be a rail line on my. Now, if he do not care, Cocasia, then cut a dem. Nanka, come on, Kababuama, and Aquania bad deal, Comasano, Akokama. Oh, man, say, oh, we need Bibia or Modi Babia, they should go back to our chiefs and now. Say, oh, yes, I say. So the you may be necessary and say, oh, go by the law and do the right thing. But to come back to what is happening there, I catch it for our moon dear, our die home, and I am unhoarding alcohol. Now, almost to the buy in I could go assembly in any. Just say, I dine by me as I do, or see you.
So much you go.
Yeah. Dine about one, watch it for no more, dear. As she just a bit. Back one, and I could say, my dear, no. And also, just a big a bill. And the war opposite Central Market Phase 2. No?
That's right.
And they are shaped by a death trap. And Bano said, and she said, also say, a big
okay.
But, I was say,
ye
me satisfaction.
Okay.
And many me are there, you go swag, ye do, only I know one thing for you. Nanka ye buta and say, temporary, a bepe and organized temporal structure arrangement to be out.
Okay.
A bomb go bomb
maybe I'm kind of when Abraham, Yanama see, and almost so do your mope
government cement. Your mom is made 1,000 bucks, my TBMs, the home better 3,000 bucks, one to Jagata.
Won't stop you, man, because more is what
we have leadership yesterday, and I've asked them to stop.
Okay.
Mechimi no kwana kambeza mdoko, but after engaging them, I'm share me boss omon to aso binti.
Okay. But mechwa. Emfinfi hono so de
kan. Mechwa so sima mnyogidi. Mechwa me mama ya remand.
Okay. But the mechanic. Emfinfi hono so no. Ka wo betima en intem kakra ma wo.
Ni nyina no. Eguso a ewo me boys are me no more the champs so. Be 50 na wo.
Almost.
Be 50. Personally, I'm affected. Me offer Bako of Abama on any Juliana Conedu. Me call from now. Of a good fina, sometimes me could eat. Nya Kuma. Inti me affected.
Okay.
Bomb so for Nyantamo. I'm a home by me. Minister Busian for me and the whole.
Everybody is affected.
One
but
way
you
or
just
the
want
other,
to do the right
we are
thing.
all affected.
Nti
mempe obi a yi no nyama busuanfo na ewo ho no. Wo fa bo amande saka medwe no. What you say? Ka me kum bomsofo no. So medwe mo. Na me boys ya me no mo de che mzu ya. Omo ana obaso mu me ka say no mbe fa koye na omu koto me paint no mo koto continue mu. Sa komo so ka ne ka sidi mu. Sa komo so omo be yame. But atu yenchem na baye. Nti sise ye bia ye bia no. O se ye hunu de ye be ya atu yenchem no entu ye bio.
Okay.
Ye mfa America. Se utio omo individual stories. Now ye nipa obefo.
Okay.
And I've heard so many scary individual stories from the side. And there be a medenya me say, Bakokra and Kana no do. Indeed, na you any bre na amaneme hunu so ye vent tuka. Nti so na so say ye pentem.
Okay.
It you aye adwuma na dia amom. But me em family en shen ye kan kwa irwani ha
ati say bia na
bia e ba bia so ina koto na menim e ho nkrata ina irwa ba integrity test on me nyina je se de nyina na irwa ne nana no menye ni se irwa maye ahode ye be ye de be boa ne nana no.
Okay.
Nti ya ji irwa kwanche ne ya ji ne futu na e de ade adwuma na ma irwa nana no na hoto e de aba ndi mpenye ehye kira omo ma de ekoso ho no baby wa obeko meko baby wa ya share metal gate ya be kwa de 2000 e dan ye bebu no so 2000
to catch obia so obia nyai
no wo 2000 e dan ye bebu no akoto da de abesho ti da ko be ko ba na ye juri awende
aboka
ko ye bebi ye bejuri awada na ye bejuri no nye ugina ho.
All right. Richard Ofuri Ajibai. na yɛne ne twi nkɔmmɔ no mayor ɛnti mayor deɛ na woka kyerɛ mmeranteɛ na menya kwan.
Okay, so yaw moma deɛ di kan yɛmboa ma Kumasi nti me sɛ mo pavements no me ma hɔ but mo mfifi especially if you confront run about so eba be fa children's hospital run about no kopie eko pampa so middle lanes me sane kokeje run about e fa de shman kopie baby a mo fa tebu buka no de ko na commentary if for no hello FM no these are the only areas I want to get cleared.
Today is a pavement so crowd there
me ma ho
eti omo mu gina kwan
no mu kwan no mu na me so obi amfio
ona sanu de ka won ka
me ma up to ne but penny say man first me
to by first me no
Matthias ye we don't say e bebum
that's right
nti me nyere me nsam na e bum me tie futu no na we adwuma mani pa no mo say ye penny say ya ye nya no mo nya first me no me say omo obi a emfafio na me say ye nya mani ye kama ye airport ya isi we ya nya hwehwe ye ne 2-3 years a very redundant
airport
yeah
new one
because it's an international airport but it's a domestic airport because they are Kumasi international na eba na dey no dey ba dey on be we must position Kumasi for soft tourism.
Okay.
We must position Kumasi for international conferences.
Okay.
We must position Kumasi such that some institutions headquarters can be moved from Accra to Kumasi.
Now international activities.
Now international activities.
Let me be player.
Because the Americans are really 3 years very redundant. No? Behavior of fuel pipes, you can predict. So fuel pipes cost will be a domestic flight very affected.
Yeah.
Because cost of flying from Accra to Kumasi will go up. So see how to go to Accra and come back, you need 4,000.
4,000.
Now Ghana for those in a year, Juma, I do 5,000.
You crowd they be the abro for.
What I say? Ghana for those in a year, you want me 8,000. I'll bet me the 4,000. I can't buy. No, by Harry. The fuel prices cost a better. There's a trap domestic travel. No passenger numbers are for a so better. Or better plan, better VIP, no other. You must say no worker. What I say? It is a command is hard gradually. Or more judicial shops or honey and name. Inti may drink quanya ye breakfast wa. Ye be bibia. Ye international airport no. E be meaning. Say no matter bad, then we can begin individual international travel from Kumasi. And the way to go is to make sure that the right atmosphere for businesses is created, and it begins with the environment. It begins with sanitation. So say, we call residency, regional office, Lancaster, to go into the Libyan Mall. Once a Mineral Commission, and they go for lawyer, do an NFL.
A damn beautiful one.
Yeah. I never see you. Me pesa mo
that area dying almost seen a that's a Sakumasi.
Me pesa mo boame. Me adwuma me and so man penny na me kwa ohini bia ne kukudu na ene dom me kwa enam say my adwuma na be so man penny in the face e ma stre ne say na daroma Mineral Commission headquarters no Fabric Kumasi mame if you say mine no e wa Ashanti Western North Western Bono and a half of wages into enclave into headquarters in Baha. What it would mean is that corporate offices for all the mining companies would have to relocate to Kumasi. Into almost fly from Australia, from South Africa, from England, from America. They won't be stepping up in Accra. They will come to Kumasi direct. It will create employment for our people. One year almost see a day for being hiring for corporate offices. It will create money for them. Now international airport, no, and meaning you develop a country with ideas. Conceptually, there are things that has to be done. It all begins with a clean, sanitized environment.
We'll have another version of this. When you say, yes, now say meeting, we didn't know. Medasi, so we are brand new. Now, I think you're in depth. To be frank, if anybody is listening to you now, and it's what we can have hope and wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Now, Kuku answer ne.
Almost One more time.
Omo ntombo na me yoro me di nche.
Aye. And I'll go meet the followers to come out. They are waiting for you. Yeah, go around, man. Trust they didn't come over, papa. And then my mom chance to just say, me and my yosa. Yeah, uchichi, your chichi. Uchichi, my baby, your chichi. Yeah, my baby. Put him some mamma check. And so, papa, no woman. Papa, how about you, my baby? You want to muna? Do you want to muna? Hey, and I'm Papa in the birthday.
Hey, dear, go ahead.
Hey, David, me back your toss me, sir.
Hey,
Me my sexo.
your dose.
Nice, yeah. Aye, the third boy. Call me very man. Watch when you're fear. A do or watch me.
And I'm crying on my bandit.
I would you know how to say baby. And now I'm going to out. Kajaso NWA DWA. Nyadia. Yanko.
With us, Papa, it's for the adult for Yadria Herbal Center, catching us up with the word drew. And Yadria Herbal Center, yet that's to say, I nay, upon the home comoche any day air bro. It's answer, ye say, a fool, ye may upon the assum ye bo, ye may upon the home ehia, and it is wapum the best some of one as wapum the ebehia, etina, one hokeka, were diani de, any near my pa, ebeconi pedriano emu. Nan Yadria Herbal Center, de Obiara enim say, yen a natural. Esan say ye do bad ye no bena habama ena eye ejuma. Shone say ye ni nuana bano. Na yemfa na habano ensa yawe. Enuana bano nso ye di. Na haban no so doctor wasua de na woni mu de. Akeke no bena abom. Ena ye de aye nyedua herbal mixture. Nyedua MF mixture. Ena nyedua MF capsules. Na enro is a wo pebi atwa. Wo de woni chum awo pharmacy shop. Chemical shop and a herbal shopper. Ubinya nyedua enro ni bibia ato. Ne a wapen dodo etunso. Okoke engine asuye ya. Yewo imrom Abidjan house. Afe atonsu. Monaco junction okwa. Ubinya nyedua enro ni bibia ato. Esan se emre ene yedi ye adwuma. Yemre no eswa enunti phone nebo ye number no. Any doctor entwetwe enkomo free na eji enchemu a ebro midie eso. Ye number no eye 0554 36 56 31 0554 36 56 31 edino eye nyedua. Eye nyedua o nyedua. Adofonum dua eye eduro. Dua sayawe. Dua mapomde mapa. Na dua enso etu yawe ase. Na nyedua herbal mixture. Enu nkomo ne na ye babidi. Na yedi nyedua MF mixture nasa ne capsules. Ata to kakra edi amaye. Anope meba ensuo no egugu. Na enframa efa obi bese enso ni se de esimu na ne enframa efa de nye so to na eto na no pay no eno nti ama awo aba na wonam edwuma bon senkofo de ntoma twehwe omo ho omo ma hyehye omo so ata omo mamoamo omo ho ebeye den ne nekra omo atonwade ma me papa onua dofo wutie me sabria ye bie shop ye bie pharmacy baby eton etrobia mesro say obepe koko kakra bi na wadi anasa obepe duane kakra de atoyem na wakwa akoto nyedua herbal mixture me pacho ye yidi ma wano wanom bi me ma 1 hour obehu se obewo so awoni nyina egwabonten amwa fonto mapa efra awoso otimi etisi esanse ene wuko dwom se okwa akope bibi akofie amamofra no edi anasa okope oni ebusua anu aduane eni kwan se oma awo eka wo ehye eni kwan se otena wonom ema awo edi wo esie awoso otimi ekenya wo awoso wo so awoni nyina egu na ni nyina egina se obenom edura ye frɛ no nyadua herbal mixture mesi dua eye edru dua sayawe dua mapomde mapa na dua enso etu yawe ase eno ntina me say eye nyedua merofo wo hia sa wononom nyedua herbal mixture no ebi ebebo ama awo bi a ate esi wo so de awo aye wo se malaria bi a esie wo nipadua nim no ebepie na de ne ho agim malaria yade bi a se ba wo so a awo ede wo uti pai wo ohinum so nsuo wonum eto wo ye mre wontimi enya wo hwe yare ba ko a eba wo so a ensunsan so boni bebre na ededi e wo nipadua nim no ene na be cho se enye yare ketwa ye boni di malaria na se esudi yare ye boni wie sa na so yare bia ne ho eden ne ho ehu eno nti messe woni pa biara se so no akasa ehu se wanya malaria anase o test positive for malaria messe o se on tna ho messe o se on to no ajeje mu nemum obepa edura ye fra no nyadua herbal mixture na wanom edro we eye habama ene de ye edru no enkane tete no ye nananom na ye dudo na no mo sheguda de same ye sori anapa ye benum bi eno ni ade na etwa to a ye ansa ne akwakoda eno ntena ye ho odo no ekonkan ne ye ho odo no egina branem nanso enei ye gya we nyina ewo yechi esanse mere ene ya fa ofa hono ma ye kwakopesika ofa hono ma eyesika sanse enei sika ne ye de ye bibia mesro se kane dudo no eno na doctor wonim de akeka boma ye de agu bottle ma yato ne di nyadua herbal mixture unyadua no wanyade unyadua no wanyankwa unyadua no wanya apomde mapa esanse eyedua ena Moses edito eponim ema emubie ya yenya nkwa efri enkwaso mu no eno nti dua de eyade asawowa na wade nyina ye home emadua ne age edua enso ede eno nti edua eso wo mfaso de ma ye nipadua no kane ne so hu se edua etua bema ano a ode pepa ne seso no na ensanso eboa ma na pomdin enya hoden eno nti ni kwan kra se uti edua ajeje mu ye tena dua se ne age mframa edua eyade a mepacho ebom ma edi emaye enu nti edua eso wo mfaso edi mani pedua no dua ye dro dua sa ya wie dua mapomde mapa na dua eso etu ya wie ase debiara da mitufu se emedua enyawo se dua nya wa eyemusuo na momo wonya nyedua herbal mixture enonom na onoma ebeboa etu di ya de bia se efri ni pedua num awone de wa mepacho oni pedua num be yehye mepacho oni pedua ra wamo anopeido heat ni pedua num heat ni pedua num enye se bia akwakohye ba bia ho hye de bi de hia ne se obenom adura ye fra no nyedua herbal mixture ebema heat aba ni pedua num wa ho keka be kɔhro ebema mogya no nso atimi aye adwuma eye mesro so be kwakope bi na wato anom faafo ne boye number no ebiem esanse mre ena yedi ye adwuma enche mebre no ebeso mepese obefre doctor na wobisa question na waji enchimu a ebru midie eso ye number no eye 0554 36 56 31 0554 36 56 31 eye nyedua me pacho se wutiem na se waye mre wo ye onwo hwea enye ye me pacho se wutiem na se enisobure so etete obi wo na ma enisobure na ma so otu ne na want to ase wi ase twa ne ho ase edan nyina e wa asase so ebu apo no mesro se wonyi wani ema no dakope obetwa hwe se wani so ebriwa enkasa eye normal ni titiu ene se ewie na sese ebo no ewie na no edepa eye ewie timi bowa na wanya problem e wo mogemu me pa cho so mogya nso sete a ene ne subre ena enam obi nso eye gya ho adwuma obi tija ho anopa ewie na enwumre eba ne sa na ebre aso se okọ baabi no otu ne 912 na ne so ebri no mesro se obetu ene subre ni nyina ase efri ni padua nim na edru beboa na esiesie mogya no ede amao na mani so brebi afiru so eye nyedua herbal mixture me pato tie di ni emame eye nyedua herbal mixture fawfo na boye number no fre doctor cca ene doctor ntwetwe nkomo na echi enchemu abrumidi eso ye number no eye 0554 36 56 31 0554 36 56 31 edino eye nyedua ye do bibiara se dasene
agronomers can see me a me ba odi dimidin ho chan bibia o wiase tobo a didi bia okay the next one trust na ye jotwen komo ene anopay na eno yes your friend male vitality oya bema now do neck new fear na say oh yeah a mistake me ni ana want to say bibi aboko kaja so mentio ana fojo so
do neck ba mixture ahwasem na ye nemo e ba be kan ya na say nemo e bidi ho enkomo yi na say de opanyi edi ka kan no do neck no eye male vitality e kan say pete kire say eye memadru tatahwe aba edwaman so a ba bia obia no agye atum obia etobie na da bia e ba na ye be kasa na ne fa bebre na free greater Accra eastern region western region Volta ame adom last week no e bia ko hono nyina anu nti ba mutie ni anase mo hwe ya no pa bia na ya na mo frɛ no ye kasa wi a mesrɛ wa afafon no anase fa number na TV na se no na fe frɛ no bia wo bia no e Volta e eastern e western northern region frɛ na fe yenchiro bia obunya bi ato na do na ka ba mescha no se usisi ya wo ya o ye kuani o ye police ni o ye soldier ni o gina wona so che enu nti boduru fe na honam nyina tutu ntimi nya ho hwe a sɛ wo a enkwanko da ho ema wo ba entietie wachi enkwanko fa problem emfa mro owura drugstore owura pharmacy kokope do na kini bi to nyame ya do na sɛ wonya bi to a wo de fa namba na egu ho na afi frɛ ne nyenche do wi abesi anu odo no anase bi abeto do na firi no bisa nipa na ho no sɛ na mensu no modo no wo ti anu aka pɔche so obɛkyerɛw nyame ya do na sɛ wo no modo no wi asisi ade ni nyina no ebedwane afiri ho no na afi ho to wotimi akɔ odwuma so akɔ pesika e de abafi na me sai ka sɛ obi wo no so a sɛ me predator sanka me fura bo sɛ free ase ho e ba asoro yi oduru ha sɛ wo sɛ na nanu so ebiri no esan sɛ wo hypertensive bro ni be se anase owo akomayade anu nti wo yadma kakra bi ana nanu so biri no sɛ wo a adura wo behia na aba no ma ho to wo ama wo hypertension akɔfom etuma ye adwuma yie na onkonko twa hwe ni pam onkonko fa nim go asɛma no anase ewo mpofiri mu emeto no aye do na keba mixture message say formula ti ado no in such a way say wo sha se wo num na afi wonya ase wonya ho enya result na say result no asha ase eba anu nti kokko pe bi na to na nom ba bia wo bia no kokko pe adu bi na to na nom afi ebe bre ase ama wotumi ayi akɔ adwuma so wotumi akɔ bia wo pese okɔ bia no akɔ adwuma bia pese wo ye bia no ama wo ho to sare bo so a oda diabetes aduro so anu nti sebi mpre bia san ama na mema ye ekɔfom anase ama ne mema se ekɔfom bisa wo wo diabetic anase wo diabetes na se wan hwe ansia no kwan a anase wa mra na ama suti na akɔfom a WBA o sugar level erezia bisa wo a de train se ebobo asa wo nerves esa wo nerves no na esa akɔfa problems e de abrew bisa wo adura wo behia wo bonom ebe stabilize wo yie aya donek heba mixture DONEC adura ba ni fa bebere na ato bia nom a omudi ho adanse se wo so wonto bi num ya bisa wo ane na aya kachi wo de bowura dasto bia ben bia na Ghana fa na ha nyina ba bibia na ye de bia kɔ aya donek heba mixture ko na kokope bi na to nom afebi no mema mo hwe bia no pai anase mu tie bia no pai ade papa no aba bisa wo ya mema sam ahia ye pa yie esan se wo ya sore panyini wo ya police panyini wo ya ohene na se wo be masam ankoyi a se mpre bia san e oha abata gusuani mu wan kada be mo na ankora akora wo da gusana no psychological no o feel okay anase o feel sound se wo hwe saade na si ano kwan na so be si ano kwan dia e na aye donek ba mixture aduro be say aye abadum emema me say saadu esi manim ye fa na abadum emema wo si ba wada na agina wo na ye donek ba mixture e na sinim pass but on kan kiro anade amenyere onsi me fam kra na e donek ba mixture e sinim pass na say e sinim fanity ana pa so le wanum bi anyumre wo so le wanum bi be say wo asa wo hwe me ana pa yi a wo so ya ba ma kokko pe bi na to fa si wo mpa na tifi fa si wo dropum fa si wo table so wo de wi ana pa no a bobi anyumre fra adwuma na so wo dwa na akwakoda bobi bibia ayi okay afei wo ba ba ya adwuma ama ho ato anadwono wo sha hye no a wo ko 20 minutes solid me say wa we nya atobi na yetwa obi anu bibia di ho dan se me say o first time awonu maduro no onu bi da first time anadwono be 12 no wo da hye 20 minutes solid ahomachene sa hye na sa to aso afei ma oba no enter konko pra tade no o musa hye adasa de chine o musa wo hye ayo donak na edi wa sama wo ayo donak ba mixture bibia kire se emema ene o mema sam akofo mu nyina no donak na ebo mo ade na waka wo ya aka wo no so he obekọ drugstore obekọ pharmacy obekọ herbal shop akwakopa bi ato na wonya bi to bi a afa efie asumdwa ba ho efie bibia ayedin obi also akọ adwuma so ba otimi ansore anya bibia biem agye se okokopa enobi nom ansa na ade hye na pa wo akọ adwuma sewo do na kre si manim wo anum ade a mama semu ye no wo anum ade si osisi ade na no kwan no onum na fe wo de aboa ama wo hunam aya wo den no na sa boost immune system no sewo a se onkwam wona na se immune system na se wo nipa bia no se wo fam a wo ya dwaka ka bia no abre enti kokopa adu efete do na kri bi na to na nom wo aya energy booster ana sa boost immune system anu nti sa wonum bia sewo a ya kan se ya wonum se bia agoro ne yedie aya do na heba mixture bobra drugstore bia nyame ya adum se ye de bia ko ba bi bia se wo asantemantam ase ya dani heba apidank Kolinac, Misty, Habme Pharmacy, Adia Pharmacy, Samenco, all those chemists, Omunina, Etubiton, and this was something their only problem. Crowd. Apart from so many at all, herbal shops, drugstores, and other pharmacy, no, maybe a tuno tobia, Santimantamasino, Oka open a two aquaton. Sana was a great attack and as a Oshami and as a Utemia. The Sawa, Caucasian drug lane, repash herba, also a wholesaler, then attack herba, Omina baby falcon. Capital O2 and as a Kingswalk Heba, Omina with the same place now. Ura Hodma, the neck and Yana. Omo Shami and Pay or Moho, Pacho, Albert Sam, and so all your wholesaler or Honum. So go to Sunania, Cap Heba, Mose Pharmacy, Green Light Pharmacy, Omina at all Ruwe Sebi. Sana so call Waswa, Waba Mahu, GN Bangano, the opposite now. Heba stop Kasebi on my house to be at home. I found out, maybe I would be an old friend. We never for more shabby and paying, patrol students are more shabby and paying. So, per dranum, not for 1 hour, then I could shut down on Judia, and then the neck about Mr. For the chair, Mr. Dame, Heba shop, and I say, Obi Heba, Omina, our Winneba, patrol, open a to a tone. So, who share a year TV no, number no, TV no, I say, what if a number of friend, and as I would tell Radio Noir, patrol number in the fat, not a friend any uncommon. A year 0246
0246
72
76
77 0246 72 76 77 Pato sa wo boga ana sa wo tamale a pato ye pe wholesalers o hono it is a wo hwame an pe na sa wo tamale boga na ba na egu tv na so frɛ ne a ya no bedi nkomo na afɛ ya de no ebe bro na wato no enso anya sika aye donate heba mixture opanyin Nakopo Ishao.
Yamen Council. Me charge my dinner so I can get a magic drinking water. 8.5 pH alkaline water. Just say nipadomni na giatum, rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron. Na obo modern na wunya bia antioxidant ukru nipedua mi fi na just say containing minute molecules into me bore body cells no emeye adwuma pa bo modern say obenum suo da na suo na me kan fam ma e kanjen ya obrema UGC Tafoni Road Abawa Route Junction ho for 0241 449191 0241 449191 afei Daoud Herbal Clinic 360 capsules and Daoud ointment. So when you have 360 capsules, no now the ointment ni twitwa ahotutuo sasabrone me koya me ya me hu tutumi no ni nyina be free ho. It's Daoud 360 capsules no. Bomodna se obenya bi ana wato Daoud Herbal Clinic ye ho no mo na bibia akoso na bibia adadin kuma se ejoso krapa ene ewo sanso so ena obehu yen ewo se hwasanwe so 0244886437 0244883447 hwitwiri usiye amra usu Yas product make comfort Yas toothpaste dey kind total care ema osia senka ka ne wonum etikama afei whitening toothpaste ma osia yefita na afei near a friend of herbal toothpaste no ma osia ne why den ye wo monarch duke prince princess and duchess ni nyina brush me kamfo ama tokro bi dem comment it me rewra sinimu ye eyiyi nkanka nyina Yas toothbrush, Ya's toothpaste, Shannon Sompa. I feel Mama's choice. I fufu, I kama, ope, menkain, ope, bordier, and abanchi, o canning in albumwa, obe to me, and your Mama's choice fufu. Kama. And until may come for my say, and go how uncle button to Abraham Mama's choice fufu mix or your mackerel, vitamin D. Any yama would be and a womb calcium and iron flavor no so yet I know de I know sure that the palm cream ya bemdro and so at the horma ya ne kama package premium garage so eka ho etibo modena 0244 451 229 BB Fabrics and na selection for nature so for life ultra commercial bank now selection a coso fabric no color be a different colors which my top from 18 years to 50 years ekro wow pama de wow ko pe bia to de akopama ta de bi BB Fabrics there agidin Ghana hanomo ya ton ache a full bill and our person ota 8,000 half bill 4,000 quarter 2,000 but modena 7 minutes down so can see a selection and kind circle Vodafone and you want my bet Africa you pay fresh 020 9070 858 020 9070 858 and 0552 799 750 Jabi Raban ahoto sopa fixed deposit sika person ye de ebo homa na ebosia utumi nya bie no tie me ahoto sopa ahoto sopa say no Edunti say any nyina ne say bobodina na ekodan Jabi Bank say what is sika ne ba you can be rest assured say no risk. Now the American Bosian and say, Sikana would you fix the deposit no. Utmi the year in Yinemu at the Jibosia collateral. Unya be baby, I just a driving bank. Ya wa bapa loan scheme. I no man yina ubiad in a niche driving bank. Sansa no Bosiano si wonu ketua bibi. And the best time I was sume bakwa. Utmi ya day. Ubetwin the SH one to the next month and sana what tia. For 2 months cry no. And now a fee small and medium enterprise so Monsieur say or Bosian in the Kaobra Jabbing Raban 0271 409340 0271 409340. You were just so bonny estimating on ye Roman Hill magazine sipe Timpomu and yes Fumesa and Adishman Jabbing and a headquarters and so. Na bibia anya day enkoso kama enfama 21st clinic a diamond ye wo ahwan ha ya bra woto ase atwetwe che obia eko aka wo dem onanti kakra na wa bre oni antitimi twi nerve no etimi na say onan no tumi ase de bibi na achewo esi ananse nchewo eye nerve no na aye dendenden bra na 21st clinic and fabi bidro kind emfanka sa nerve na sciatica nerve no yade ahodo nyina so ye hwe bi wo hanomo lab ne scan service massage treatment ahodo your number is 0540 311 311 ave 3 eco capsules coco de makacho say abra 3 eco capsules so ni say o ma coco kam but modern wo ko super pharmacy ana heba shop bia also pay waste space edrono ope pulse edrono ope constipation edrono eyi niema miensa we nyina free ho ma wo to tie friend 3A co capsules the coco master after time heba ane 3D yade no ha dwen ntontom kiti waka wo ukoto dwe na ekika bom woni su na bri wo wonte aduane de wo tachere maso ayititiri unya time heba meshanoma ebeyi ha nyina free ho time HH no so man komo aho ye den etidane da no wonu madura na wo gira brane eko na fight infection in yema bebrebe bobodi so benya time eba mesha time HH mesha and capsules. For 0244 417 669. Liberty Conference, Jume Di Nyamik Aduma, Memeda, Anna Eba so, 26. Na Jume Di, yours truly, Omanhene na Medimonim, bra. Na yene urade ententam na yedie ne nkosonye chefa or the ogie sonko ebrenema ya two din God's agenda is the washing of feet part 2 with communion wine and water. Meaning say obeye. Don't forget obaswa your used perfume ya wa use no deba enunti say on Sunday with seed emfa mo adwumede na 0249 640 993 0249 640-993. Grow fine. Say to me di nice ya titriti. O da na jo awon na. Wa ultimi say o menses meye. Ebu okra twa enso so onya menopause. We eye cocoa na ye de eye tonic, eye herbal tonic, eye free cocoa mu. Enti che say ye bibidro kan na so emujadru a eye nipadua ni mu adwuma e ma wo ho no mo na say enche no nya infection nom grow fine. Akoba say wo ho no ma no vitamins e wo nipadua mu wo form nom grow fine for health and vitality. May come from our pharmacy near bar shops bia Mr. Kejetia Pidank Kejetia Smart Boakye and an important digital herbal center now you grow fine. Your number is 0244596532. Nabibia akoso kama Ediama Tony Sackness so as name the birthdays neighbor on the property electronics Abejaso Momodina said the showroom I work once here it was Sunyane a cocoa board runabout any oid terminal div anymore a doom Melcom Cassian can pick and pay traffic light nasi Ninchen Hope Ubehu Samsona Wesley Methodist Usani a triangle no SD Karam Contimpo Monomo Ubehu Tony Sack Electronics any property showroom a war baby I'm a chair Melcom and chair onoma a cane Pioneer Publications a TVs fridges freezers air conditioners washing machines gas cookers microwaves rice cookers blenders kettles home theaters electrical all home appliances brands are wood when you make come for property now. Your number is 0244 1192 36 0244 1192 36 na on your match chain come up. My mention birthday no I say Miss Erica Boakye Yadom Pastor okay Dr. Boakye Hostel level 300 SDA Midwifery Training College Asante Asamai we free Kechre Obi house ne be free Dr. Boakye Hostel and our level 300 SDA Midwifery Training College student. Happy birthday from Kechre Obi. Prophet Asante Menu of Rena Outreach Ministry. Madam Comfort Sokobai Soma Trinkwa Neyo Wawuta. Afei Priscilla Che Fosu of Passion Air Kumasi. Priscilla Che Fosu or Passion Air Kumasi. Today is your birthday and happy birthday to you. You're looking so pretty and I want to believe say Delis. Any ima, any akwesimunyina or more passion no, they are all wishing you all the best. Enjoy your day to the max, okay? A special birthday to my lovely son, Kwame Berima Edubuachi of New Mission Academy JHS2. Kwame Berima Edubuachi. The ones you show more attention. Happy birthday, Junior. I want to believe today is your special day. Don't worry. Daddy has promised you whatever I promised you, I will deliver, okay? To my son. And this is coming from Dr. Edna Kuba Nyamike, coming from Skylar Adom, coming from Yaw Berima Nyamike, and also from Ensonoma, and then Vivian and Auntie Dora is also coming from Kwame, coming from Muhammad. And all the squad from your grandma, Auntie Ekweaso, and your uncles Kofi, Akwesi, Kojo, Edubuachi, and all your auntie Beverly Edubuachi. All that we are saying is happy birthday to you. And from the next person, special one, Kofin Kranshedu Boakye, Mamoni Dingo, Obekumine, your brother, and all your family. We say happy birthday to you. We love you. Enjoy your day to the max. Remember, no cry, Aso. About 9:23. 7 minutes, I can. Oh, Fremia, may pick your call. Other than that, we'll wrap up. Enjoy your day also. Afe, give us a call. Na yenjo chen komo. Kawasem no. Enem sa ka last hour. Yedi ni nyina ma mayo. Ehu hia so de nani so ade hunu so beto. Yenim tu fra homa no a 0551931931 0548931931 will pick your call. Na ya chen komo. So give us a call across Ghana. Na yenim ni komo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Mami Tio Anope. Kasa.
Good morning once again.
Thank you, my brother. Good morning. Okay. Thank you.
And because we're ETG.
Okay.
And it's me personally, the last payment I'm a year ECG was December. And I'm a year last payment. The year na January, only the bill April. Only the bill no. Now the balance is in the VVI 734. I wasn't good here. Could you believe that? On my the next month in the buy, now the bill and almost 24 million, 24 million.
Now initially now say.
That is it.
Initially now say.
Initially no, make 200, 180 and a 200.
Okay. 24 million no almost say enchiremu say.
I'm not going to call festival. The choir, woman, and the cotton on the patch and the chair. Or much in you, almost cycle, and I'm reading it. And this is what they are doing. What you almost share will be land, yet the better one. Say, I will form one. Okay, the adjustment. No more side be a town. But the hectic point, and they say, almost I go to October, according to explanation of the man. Adiana yet 3 months, mother ready. Because no number of bill am almost cycle from October. It is October 2020.
Nice, I'm not backdated to October.
October.
As October, no say utia 200, I be our mind 400. No, my cowboy more be see time I utiano.
Exactly.
Now, a dear, and no, a dear, and Trimuno, Modiama Ghana, Fontia. Omo ye we
it's a big arbitrary.
Me production team na china bebu se mama why so you dey say am kuku a china monye investigation my say oma che Sunday we omo si check meter no nti e wudi eso ane de bi aka ho e dey criteria na mudi gina so de bi ka ho. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Yo, mami ti anope.
Anope na me yo kasa ni meni aje pa. Nense ma no kan nyina zo na emu da ho ma me yi pa. Na de ba ko pe ne ha me na mpete no kan wasa.
Aha.
Uku draka. Stations are ya to I load ko ba bi. Uku the Western region is home station or Kanishi. Wo di dia wo mo be kuma se north wo station wo bi akasoa. Na wo do asante region ha no mo. Odo pastor ti show do akwa. Station yi wo kwa ho saa ma do kuma ti na ba bi station. Esremayo ni di hem pe me send o message ra ndo bi san ma ra na.
Okay.
Ni ankoso.
Aye.
And on the saa the one no the wo so be no so bi bi fa ho. E ma station ni na to be ba.
Me know ya adwen pa.
Oni nya me nya djuma.
Me know ya adwen. What can say? Hello, good morning. Okay. It is 0548 931 931. Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Yes, I want you. Yo, Mammy too.
Okay, more so. Papa, I'm a very only Zuba, Kumasi Mayo, Kasaya. Papa, Papa, no Casamuya, clearly, we can say Jumano, continue. Sincerely speaking, and you're picking a year, Jumano. But now, another also, they offer Monco for any more money, I can money and Chief Justice a year in a day, Papa.
Hello. Point of correction. Maybe I chow. And Koma Edi Waha. Chief Justice. Ye in a dear me many beji now. Chief Justice. Dear na me ko Jeffrey no na dear no ayamia. Ya mamon cancer bisa.
Over Mate.
As a musha da no be cancer bi atum.
Over Mate, Matodi Nate. But here course no me any more bebreu. I had the embassy for the money service on the Chief Justice somewhere, Salota say, Omubi, and the case. But the person of the say, and then the Muhammad offered the Biasida, or the Catherine, the President, the suspended Chief Justice or to offer the Biasida, or the Catherine. And I
see that I'm for CIM Renaissance, ye PJ Mo Ama, one more at the Jumedia Carbetua. So it's time for full time. My name is Omanhene Yaw. Kawasem Jumedia. We spoke to the mayor, Yabwama. Asante Abuamoten. The production team, Kukua Jamda Kosia Somwa, directed by Grace, ably supported by Kevin, Azuka, Safo, and then PK in the house. Yeah, the most see her, yeah, the most say. Odom domi echna,